And we are getting these live pictures from Imphal, where security deployment has been heightened. Remember, as far as Manipur's Imphal East and West districts are concerned, a curfew has also been imposed after violence and protests. More than 11 people who have been killed in this ethnic violence in Manipur since the 1st of September, as students have been taking part in protests march against the recent violence in Manipur. In fact, following this escalation in violence, protests that were seen in different parts of the state, and an indefinite curfew has been imposed in both the districts of Imphal. Let me cut across to Anirudh, who joins us live as we stay with these pictures. Anirudh, we understand that security has been heightened, but with regards to any fresh spate of violence, as we stay with these pictures, detail for us what's happening on the ground.
Yes, right now we are reporting from Imphal West, and you can see behind me these are visuals of confrontation between the security forces and the students. Tear gas cells are now being fired in order to control the mob. The mob who mixed up with the students, in fact, has been using catapults in order to target the security forces, the Manipur police and the central forces deployed here, and as a result of this, the police had to be firing the tear gas cells towards the mob. It may be mentioned that today, right just 5 minutes back, in this particular location only, the students were on demonstration. Police have set up barricades. The students were sitting there protesting, but all of a sudden there was a fresh escalation, and we saw how the students crossed the barricades and marched towards the capital city, towards the Raj Bhavan. And it was at that point in time that the police had to fire tear gas cells towards the students, and now the students have started to target the security forces by pelting stones. Stones are being pelted on the security forces. The situation is being brought under control. You can see the rapid action force is also there. The rapid action force has started to march towards the students, and tear gas cells are being fired upon to disperse the mob. There was a student group of more than 1,000 students who wanted to go to the Raj Bhavan and give a memorandum to the governor. We also spoke to the students who were hesitating. They said that they want to apprise the governor of the situation, how they have lost one academic year and now they are on the verge of losing yet another academic year. But as I was saying, there are some elements which has mixed up with the students, and they instigated the students to break the police barricade and march towards the Raj Bhavan. It was at that point in time that in order to control the marching students, the police had to fire several tear gas cells. You can see here, even as we report from this location, here also many tear gas cells can be found lying on the road. Meanwhile, the stones also, you can see the stones here. These were the stones that were thrown towards the police and the central forces who were trying to control the mob. And here you can see the tear gas cells that were fired in order to disperse the mob, in order to disperse the students. The situation continues to remain tense, and even as we cover the students of Manipur University who were marching towards the Raj Bhavan, we are getting reports that yet another escalation has just now started in Imam Market, where the students who were camping in Imam Market since last night, they have also started to break the police cordoning, and now they are also trying to march towards the Raj Bhavan. There also tear gas cells are being fired in order to control the students who are hesitating since yesterday. The students are very adamant. They had given a deadline till 1 p.m. today for the governor to meet their demands. The governor had given even an assurance to the students that their demands will be fulfilled. But the students are adamant and they are not backing off the protest, they are not willing to back off the protest unless and until the demands are actually met on the ground. Swesa.